Hello guys, today I will show you how to solve error in Kali Linux and in Termux. First you have to go to Google and search this GitHub and click the first one. After clicking the first one, you have to copy the code in the green color box. Copy it and come back to your terminal and paste it in which terminal you want to solve the error. Any error you can solve, guys. You can solve in Termux or in Kali Linux. You can solve any error in Termux or in Kali Linux. First you have to clone it. So you have to type get clone and paste that link you copied from there. Paste it. After that you have to make for the list. You have to type ls for the list and make a cd for the chain directory, search for that name, copy it, again paste it. After that you have to clear the terminal. After that make again ls. You have to install the Python language in your Kali Linux or in Termux. You have to install the Python language because this tool will work in the Python language. After that you have to type dot slash. If you write, you can write on Python also. You can make directly dot slash also, and copy this one and make it paste and make again enter. After that it will ask for your Kali password. You can put your Kali password. So see guys, I don't have any error in my Kali Linux. So if you have any error in your Kali Linux or in Termux, you can easily solve. If it asks for you for the y or n, you have to type y, for it means it's yes. After that it will solve your errors. See guys, I don't have any error in my Kali Linux. So thanks for watching guys. Yeah.